How to fix cannot verify server identity error on iPhone. When you encounter a cannot verify server identity error on your iPhone, it typically means that your device is having trouble establishing a secure connection with the server due to an issue with the SSL certificate or the server configuration. Here's how you can troubleshoot and resolve this issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Poor network connectivity can sometimes cause SSL certificate validation issues. 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary network or software glitches. Press and hold the power button until the slide to power off slider appears, then swipe it to turn off your iPhone. After a few seconds, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears to restart your device. 3. Update iOS. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. New iOS updates often include bug fixes and security enhancements that can resolve SSL certificate validation issues. You can check for updates by going to Settings General Software Update on your iPhone. 4. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings on your iPhone can sometimes cause SSL certificate validation errors. Go to Settings General Date and Time and make sure that Set Automatically is enabled to ensure that your iPhone's date and time are accurate. 5. Clear Safari cache. If you're encountering the error while browsing the web using Safari, try clearing the browser cache and website data. Go to Settings Safari Clear History and Website Data, then confirm your choice. This can help resolve issues related to cached SSL certificates. 6. Verify the SSL certificate. If you're accessing a specific website or server that's causing the error, you can try verifying the SSL certificate manually. Open Safari and navigate to the website in question. When you encounter the error, tap on the Details or Show Details option to view the SSL certificate. Verify that the certificate is valid and issued by a trusted certificate authority. 7. Contact website administrator. If you're encountering the error while accessing a specific website or server, it's possible that there's an issue with the server's SSL certificate configuration. Contact the website administrator or IT department responsible for the server and inform them of the error you're experiencing. 8. Use a different network. If possible, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or use cellular data to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current network. 9. Reset network settings. If none of the above solutions work, you can try resetting your iPhone's network settings. Go to Settings General Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will reset your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, as well as cellular settings, so you'll need to re-enter them afterward. If you continue to experience the cannot verify server identity error after trying these steps, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting guidance or escalate the issue if necessary.